Yeah, it looks great. I'd just like to know where Arlene is. Hello? Arlene, where are you? The hospital? But Arlene, the show starts in 20 minutes. What do you mean you can't do the show? Who's gonna do it? Me? Well, yeah, I can cook, but Arlene, I can't. Hello? Hello? Arlene!
Here's today's script, Dennis.
Oh. Hello, boss, it's Dennis. Yeah, we have a big problem. Arlene can't do the show. I should do it? Boss, I can't cook on TV. Not in front of all those people. Yeah, but Mr. Black, I can't... Hello? Hello? I am not doing that show. Hello, and welcome to Cooking with Arlene. That's no good. Hello, my name is Dennis Johnson, and welcome to Cooking with Arlene.
Yeah, well, I'm sorry to hear that, Arlene.
Hi,
Yeah, I'll tell him after the show, okay? Yeah. All the best. Okay. Yeah. Bye.
Hi, I'm Dennis Johnson, and this is Cooking with Arlene.
Okay, Dennis, you're on in 5 seconds.
No,
And
Janet, I can't. I'm not...
4, 3,
Janet, I can't. No,
2,
Janet, stop.
1,
Just a second.
and you're
I
on.
can't.
Dennis, the introduction.
The introduction? Oh, the introduction. Yes. Hi, and welcome to Cooking with Arlene. My name is Dennis Johnson. So today we'll be cooking with Dennis. Little joke. Well, cooking with Dennis. My name's Dennis. Okay. So, well, we're here to cook, so let's cook, huh? What are we cooking, Janet?
Spanish omelets.
Did you hear that, folks? Today we're cooking Spanish omelets. I love omelets, don't you? And, of course, as we all know, the main ingredients in omelets are eggs. Eggs. Little round white things. They like this, kind of round and, white.
On the counter behind you.
It's our eggs. Now then, we have our eggs, and the recipe calls for 4 eggs. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We take our 3 eggs and break them into the bowl. And, of course, omelets are good for you, and they're fun to eat. And not only that, but they're really easy to make. And once we have our 3 eggs in the bowl, we add a little milk. Where's the milk, Janet?
In the fridge behind you.
Fridge. Always a good idea to keep your milk in the fridge. Okay, so we add a little milk, and then we beat the whole thing together. Now, you can use one of these hand beaters, or you can use one of these electric beaters like I'm going to use. Always remember to keep the beater on low. You know, I love to cook. My mom, when I was a little guy, always used to tell me, when you're cooking, never, ever hurry. Or you make mistakes. Once we've got that done, we're ready to add our other ingredients. You'll need an onion, a green pepper, tomato, and some salt and pepper, and some oil for the frying pan. Frying pan, Janet?
The right drawer. Not the left, the right.
Our pan. Okay, now what we do is we add a little oil to the pan. Just a little at the bottom here. There we go. And we put that on a medium heat. Now, next we chop up our onion. Now, always remember when you're chopping onions to breathe through your mouth. Otherwise, if you breathe through your nose like that, you may start to cry.
Dennis! Dennis, the pan!
And watch your pan. Wouldn't want to burn our onions, would we? Okay, we add our onions. And we get ready to add our other ingredients. Next, we quickly chop a green pepper. You know, I like to sing when I cook at home. Matter of fact, what a great idea. Why don't we all sing, huh? When the moon hits your eyes like a big pizza pie, that's amore. When you walk down the street, any chance that you meet, that's amore.
Dennis!
Okay, so once you've got all that done, you add that mixture to your onions. There you go. Okay, now we let that simmer for 3 minutes.
You have 1 minute left, Dennis.
I think those 3 minutes are up, don't you? Okay, and we now get ready to add our eggs. Oh, yeah. Here we go. A little salt and pepper. And we're cooking.
40 seconds.
Okay, so you flip your omelet.
30 seconds.
Once it's all cooked, you dish it up on the plate.
15 seconds.
For today's recipe, write to Cooking with Arlene, 17 Park Street, Orangeville, postal code H4B1R6.
Doesn't that look good? Don't forget to write for today's recipe.
Folks.
Thank goodness that's over.
It's okay, Dennis. The first time is always the hardest. You'll get better.
What do you mean I'll get better?
Arlene called again. She's going to be in the hospital for a month. Looks like you'll be doing 3 more shows, Dennis.
Oh, no. Janet, wait! I can't. Janet! No, Janet! Wait, I can't. Janet!